Good day, everyone. Good day to our beloved professor, Ms. Rains Vito. So, we are the researchers from BSIE HE3B, and the title of our research is The Effectiveness of Supervised Industrial Training in PUP Manila During Pandemic. So, the researchers, hi, my name is Crystal Maybe Hoxton.
I'm Chill Opernito.
I'm Norin Alexandra Biragasan.
And I am Dayan A. Rehensha.
So, what is the main objective of our study? So, the main objective of our study is to determine the efficacy of supervised industrial training in fourth-year home economics students. It seeks to train to attain the following specific objectives. First, what is the respondents' overall perception on the level of effectiveness of supervised industrial training in PUP Manila? Second, did the respondents achieve the competencies needed to be able to perform a specific job within the workplace? And third, is there a significant difference with the students' knowledge, skills, and competencies before and after their supervised industrial training?
Letter B. Why did you choose this particular topic? What is its relevance? The findings of this study will read down to the benefit of the community of Technological University of the Philippines. This study is important because of the following. It will measure the efficacy of supervised industrial training in the new normal setup, and it helps the students to identify specific information that will help them to cope in this current situation. C. What are your specific research questions? The researchers used Likert scale composed of four categories related to the topic, which are the soft skill competence, the training effectiveness, team performance, and students' creativity. Respondents choose the most appropriate answer based on their experience, whether they disagree, strongly disagree, neutral, agree, or strongly agree.
Next, letter D. What is the study design sample, data gathering procedures, and tools did you apply on the studies? First, research design, quantitative descriptive research, sample non-probability sampling method data gathering, tools online survey via Google Forms, data gathering procedure. The researchers will look for graduating students of Technological University of the Philippines and undergraduate students SY 2019 to 2022, then asked to answer their survey questionnaire. E. What statistical treatment did you use to answer each research question? Why? On the profile of the student respondent, in terms of cited variables, frequency and percentage was used. On the efficacy of supervised industrial training on the interest of home economic students, there are four categories made, which are the soft skill competence, training effectiveness, team performance, and student creativity. To determine the efficacy of SIT, weighted means was used in the interpreting the data in conjunction with the 5-point Likert scale. The researchers use statistical treatment, and it is the inferential statistic which make predictions and test hypotheses about the data. And to put the data acquired into analysis, the researchers utilize the t-test to identify whether there is a significant difference with the student knowledge, skills, and competencies before and after their supervised industrial training.
What are the conclusions and recommendations? So there are still some weaknesses that can be improvised in the future. Therefore, we conclude that the industrial training program has provided many benefits to students, even if there are minor flaws that are somewhat disfigured in conditions, so that these weaknesses can be rectified in the future. We recommended for being a student, one can acquire industrial experiences and at the same time familiarize themselves with the real working environment at the industrial training site. This opportunity was also enables them to future expand their creativity while teaching the profession ethical values as basis to venture into professional career in the future. Therefore, students must develop themselves to become a valuable asset to the esteemed organization of our industry. In the meantime, the industry or organization shall be able to recognize assets and guide their potential future employees. For some organizations, the students undertaking the industrial training have in fact overcome the scarcity of professional workforce within the organization. On the top of that, the industrial or organization may also indirectly acquire professional consultation from the faculty supervision during their visit to the organization. On the other hand, the faculty supervisors, apart from guiding, supervising, and assessing the students, may also obtain numerous information on the current development in the industry or organization, which will enrich themselves as academic staff. By realizing the advantage and the limitless amount of benefits that can be accomplished by all parties through this industrial training, the excellent collaboration between the universities and the industry must be greatly considered. The students and the faculty supervisions are the unification chain between the university and the organization must play their considerable parts so that the industrial training will turn out as the most awaited activity by all parties in order to achieve common aims and aspirations.
So that's all. Thank you.